Well. Welcome to another entry into Dan's Beard's Diaries. All right, so obviously this setting is a little different. I wanted to obviously do something different, but I wanted to change the setting up a bit. I told myself last night that if I get done with all my new client fitness programs and email inquiries, I was going to venture up into the hills for some therapy. Little backstory. I live in Central California now, but I used to live in Southern California, lived in Newport Beach, and my therapy back then was surfing. Now that I live in Central California, the beach obviously isn't as accessible. However, Yosemite, Bass Lake, Shaver Lake, China Peak Resort, they're all really close by. So this is what I do for my therapy now. And while I'm up here, I take pictures, I fly the drone up, and I just hike around and just kind of unplug, except for this vlog that I'm doing right now. But aside from this, I just unplug and I just kind of take a deep breath and enjoy the refreshing atmosphere and environment up here. Today, I guess I'm gonna share with you some photos and drone footage that I took today. I hope you like it. Boop. Well, hello there. We are in a river. Now, this is a first for me. Well, I've been in a river, but I purchased some waders. I think it was last year, and I had yet to use them. So, you know what? Now's the time. I came in the middle of the river because I wanted to take some photos, kind of slow down the shutter speed and kind of ghostify, if you will, the water. And I think they should be pretty cool. I'm super sketch. I don't know, the water's like playing tricks on me. I don't know if the tripod is falling back or not. So I have my hand right behind it just in case I need to grab it. But nonetheless, I mean, this is the end to an amazing day. I hope you enjoy the photos.